If you're watching this video, then probably you're looking for a way to transfer your WhatsApp data from your existing Android phone to a new iPhone, and you must be scared whether you will lose any data during this transfer process. So the short answer to that is no, you won't be losing any of the data. And in case you're looking for a way to transfer your WhatsApp chats the other way, that is from iPhone to Android, then I have a video on that as well, and you can find it here once it's ready. Now before we get started, I do have a short video on this very topic, and I have read all of your comments, and in this video I'll be breaking down every single detail of the official method of how you can transfer your WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone so that all your questions get answered. So let's get started. Now before we begin with the process of how to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone, you need to keep a check of these little details before we begin the process so that it remains error-free and seamless. The first requirement is to keep a backup of all your WhatsApp chats on your Android phone. For this, you need to go to your WhatsApp settings, then followed by chats, and under chats, you need to create a chat backup on the internal storage, so that in case any error throws up, you can restore to the previous version, which is safe and secure. Now once the backup is done, you need to check the backup size. For this, you need to again go to WhatsApp settings, now tap on storage and data, and in a couple of seconds you will see the total amount of WhatsApp backup which you will be transferring from Android to iPhone. And in case this data packet is large, for example more than 2 or 3 GBs, I recommend using the wired method because it is fast and more reliable compared to a Wi-Fi connection. Now the third check you need to do is make sure that both the devices are completely charged, because this is a time-taking process, and during this process the phone's battery might die and you might face a problem. So to avoid that, make sure both the devices are completely charged and connected to a stable and fast Wi-Fi network, as when I'll explain in these steps. You need to make sure that your Android phone from which you are transferring data is running on at least Android 5 or above, and the iPhone to which you are going to transfer your data is running on at least iOS 15.5 or above. And once all these conditions are checked, you're good to proceed your WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone. Now let's get started with the steps. For this process, you will either need a brand new iPhone, or in case you want to use an existing iPhone, then you need to first create a backup of all your data and then reset it to factory condition, which can be done by going to settings, general, followed by transfer and reset iPhone, and then erasing all of its content so that it comes down to this factory reset condition. And now we can begin the transfer process. Now that we have created a backup of all our WhatsApp chat on our Android phone, it's time to install the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store, accepting all the terms and conditions, allowing all the permissions till we see the screen where it asks us to connect both the devices using a cable. So now your Android phone is completely ready to begin the transfer process, and now it's time to prepare our iPhone for the transfer process by selecting Setup without another device. Now you need to continue the setup and connect both the devices using a certified Type-C to Type-C cable, so that both the devices are connected properly, and you need to connect your iPhone to the same fast Wi-Fi network to which your Android phone is connected to. And continue with the setup process till we reach this screen where it says transfer apps and data, and here we need to select from Android. Once both the devices are connected, you will see a couple of prompts on your Android phone, allow all the permissions, and you will see a code displayed on your iPhone screen. Enter this code on your Android phone. On the next screen, you will see a couple of options of what all data you want to transfer from your Android phone to your iPhone. You can select whatever data you want to transfer, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be selecting only WhatsApp. Now you need to tap on Start. Now WhatsApp will start preparing for the chat transfer process, and once done, tap on Next. Now you will see the final amount of data which will be transferred from your Android phone to your iPhone. Now to begin the transfer process, tap on Continue, and now it will take a couple of minutes for your data to be transferred from your Android phone to your iPhone. This time duration might vary depending on the amount of data which is being transferred. Now once the data is successfully transferred, you need to tap Continue and now sign into your Apple account, and in case you don't have any, you can create one for free. Now continue to set up your iPhone till you reach the home screen, and once you're there, you can safely remove the cable and disconnect both the phones. Now on your iPhone, you need to download WhatsApp from the App Store, launch it and set it up using the same number which was registered on WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now since WhatsApp is no longer available on your Android phone, you can request that verification code via SMS or phone call. Now once verified, a screen will prompt you to import your chat history. Tap on Start to begin the process, and when prompted again, tap on Allow full access to import all the chats and media data. This will again take a couple of minutes depending on the size of your WhatsApp transfer. And once done, tap on next. Now complete the setup of a WhatsApp account and you will be greeted with all the messages, chats, groups, start messages, all the media transferred from your Android phone to your new iPhone. Now, whether you're moving away your data from a Xiaomi, Realme, OnePlus, Motorola, or even a Samsung or any other Android smartphone brand, the process will remain exactly same, irrespective of whichever smartphone brand it is. Now, in case you face any issue during the WhatsApp transfer process from Android to iPhone, or in case there's a question which was left unanswered in this video, feel free to drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to answer it for you. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.